In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Shopify app to the latest version. So if you are using a Shopify app, it is recommended that you oftenly or frequently check for updates to fix any security issues or fix bugs and any other problems related to your app. By also updating your app to the latest version, you'll also be able to get the latest features that come with Shopify app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, to update this app, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and look for this app on Google Play Store if you're on Android and App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and then search for my app. And as you can see, we have our Shopify app here. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available. When you see this, it means you are using an outdated version, and therefore you need just to go ahead and tap on update to be able to get the latest version of Shopify app. So this will go ahead and download the latest version of the app. And once the download is done, it will go ahead and install it on your smartphone. Now from here, you will have the latest version of Shopify app on your Android smartphone. You can now proceed and tap on open to start with the new version of Shopify app. So by following this, you'll be able to get the latest version of Shopify app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.